Alright, so you've probably seen the Viva Harbor antifungal pen popping up all over your feed, promising to transform sad, discolored nails into healthy, glowing beauties. But is it the real deal? Or just another overhyped product? Let's get straight to the truth. First off, the Viva Harbor pen isn't a scam. It's a legit nail care product with a plant-based formula that includes media. Close-up of Viva Harbor antifungal pen with ingredients: hands holding aloe vera leaf, vitamin C tablets, tea tree oil bottle, and vitamin E capsule, product with natural ingredients arranged around it: aloe vera, vitamin C, tea tree oil, and vitamin E, all great ingredients for moisturizing and improving nail appearance. But here's the catch: it doesn't contain heavy-duty antifungal meds like you'd find in prescription treatments. So if you're dealing with a hardcore fungal infection, this won't be your magic bullet. Now, how do you use it? Honestly, it couldn't be easier. Just twist the pen, brush the serum on your clean nails and cuticles, and let it dry. Do this daily and be patient. It's more of a marathon than a sprint. Most people start seeing results after a few weeks, sometimes a couple of months. Let's talk reviews. Some users are loving it, saying their nails looked clearer and healthier, and they loved how mess-free and portable the pen is. No harsh chemical smell either. But not everyone's thrilled. Others saw little to no change, especially if they were hoping for a miracle cure for stubborn infections. And that's the big takeaway. This pen is great for mild to moderate issues like discoloration or minor damage, but if you're facing a real fungal battle, you'll want to see a doctor. So, is the Viva Harbor antifungal pen a scam? Nope. But is it a cure for all nail woes? Also nope. It's a handy, gentle tool for nail appearance and health. But know what you're buying and don't skip that doctor visit if things look serious.